Okay guys, luto na yung ating paratha bread and coffee and some herb and garlic mayo and my king is right there. O, diba? That's it guys. Good morning guys! It's Monday! Happy Monday to everyone! So it's my off day. I just woke up and my king is right there. And I said to him, "Oh, I'm cooking. I need to do video, so I have vlog for today." But he said to me, "Are you insane? Your phone is with me." I said, "Oh yeah, I can't make video because you're in." It's so crazy. So I make paratha, guys. Paratha, it's like that. Don't laugh at me. She laughing at me, guys. You see that? Oh, so yummy. Oy, dumikit na, guys. Hindi ko pala nakalagyan ng mantika. Guys, nagluto tayo ng sotanghon. O, diba? Tapos meron na siyang, ano tawag dito? Kabatiti. Ano ba sa Tagalog? Kalimutan ko na. O, diba? Tapos dito na rin yung kanin natin. So, ito yun na yung pang tanghalian natin at panggabihan na rin, of course. Yummy!